blogging. It's important because of its versatility, accessibility. It offers more different things. Some people think a blog is not essential, but 1. Networking, where opportunities for connecting with other bloggers, influencers, and industry those who engage and love what they are doing. 2. Engagement. It promotes, develops interaction with the audience, allowing for feedbacks, comments, and decisions. 3. Brand building. It helps shaping your brand identity and communicating your values to your audience in the online world. 4. Content marketing. It is the foundation of content marketing strategies, attacking, retaining customers by providing valuable information in the online world. Visibility. It establishes your online presence, making you visible to the global audience and positioning you as an authority in this field, and also engaging you in networking with other bloggers to start earning money out of your audience through engagements, industries, advertisements, and consultations. Visit the EdTech Club